I'm Rich Natthorpe. I'm the Managing Director of Brynleigh Technology. We're a small CEM in East Anglia. We're a family business started by my parents in the garage 33 years ago. We've now grown to over 5 million turnover, over 30 members of staff. We've also grown with our customers. We started out as a prototyping and MPI specialist. As our customers have grown, they've asked us to do larger and larger batteries, so now we're still happy to do the one-offs, but also the bigger runs as well.
Brynleigh Technology and Europlacer have quite a storied history, going back nearly 20 years, over 3 separate generations of our equipment, from our Flexis, Axis and Progress systems in the early 2000s, through to our more recent platforms such as the INEO and most recently our newly updated N series and Atom machines.
Our number one driver is quality. We always want to deliver a board that is true to the manufacturing data pack that we're given. We've always taken on boards that other people have declined because they're too difficult, trying to give ourselves a niche working in aerospace and other high-tech industries where manufacturing defects are not acceptable.
We always have had a focus on flexibility, as we know our customer demands will chop and change quite quickly, and we need to be able to react quickly whilst still maintaining a high quality product. So one of the key things we like to focus on is front-end engineering. We try and actually produce a simulation of a board being built before we build it physically, to try and spot as many problems as we can prior to it hitting the shop floor. We've always tried to push our processes forward and never stood still in just accepting that's the way we've done it, so let's keep on doing it like that. We're never short of ideas as to how to keep things going forward, always looking at new innovative ways to reapproach something, always looking to invest in new technologies to help us deliver our vision of what we think a manufacturing company should be. The speed and flexibility have always been a key part of it, and in able to do that, Europlacer have been a key partner in being able to achieve that, as their systems and software allow us to just put components on quickly, and we know that they'll get placed in the right positions without any second checking. It's been great to see how Europlacer have pushed the limits as well with their technologies. Our first machine, when I first started, was a finesse with just one head. Now, with the Atoms and the N2s, we have multiple heads, and the complexity of boards they can cope with is far superior than what it was 15 years ago.
For any business, a major investment in capital equipment is made not only in terms of the performance of the machines, but also how well you feel you've been supported. And for Brynleigh, knowing that our UK-based service and applications teams are always on hand was a critical part of that decision.
The partnerships are very important to us, whether it's partnering with our suppliers or partnering with our customers, because we know the only way to achieve great things is by working together to do them.
Now the new line is up and running, we've seen some great productivity improvements. Typically on the old line, we'd be having a very good day if we placed about 100,000 components. On the new line, we can achieve that by 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
Support at Europlacer has always been great as well. Any problems we've had, we can message them and we get an instant response.
Yeah, many of our customers are bringing boards back to the UK that were offshored to China. Because of our agility, being a small company, we were able to react faster to customers' needs, making adjustments to designs at the last minute and adapting production.